it's April and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a Bath & Body Works haul for you guys, and I'm also going to be reviewing some of the items that I got. Before I get into anything, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. So now without further ado, let's just get started. Okay guys, so in case you guys have been to Bath & Body Works lately or you've been looking on your Instagram, they came out with a whole new collection, and honestly this collection might be one of their cutest collections yet. Not to mention all the scents smell literally phenomenal. I was so shocked at how good these scents were. So I'm just going to start with the first one. I did do the buy 3 get 3 free, and I also had a $10 off, and I also had like $39-ish in gift cards from Christmas. So I ended up only spending like $8 and change out of pocket. Yay! So the first item I got was the strawberry pound cake. This is the whipped body lotion, body mousse, sorry. So this stuff is really cool. I just want to talk about the packaging real quick. How adorable is this? I love the hot pink with the strawberries and the little flowers. Literally the cutest ever. I actually got 2 of these. One of them is for my friend for her birthday coming up. I know she's really going to appreciate this. So I'm just going to demo this for you guys. So you first want to shake it really well, and it literally is going to come out like whipped cream. And look at how pretty that is, you guys. This literally looks like a little like flower. Like, oh, you know what this reminds me of? Is on cakes on the bottom where they have those just little like dots that look like little flowers. That's what it looks like. It's, oh my gosh, it looks like pink whipped cream. And it's like foamy, kind of like shaving cream. But then it like disintegrates into a lotion. And okay, this is not the best lotion ever, I'm just gonna be honest. This actually leaves my hands really sticky, but I think this product is fun. And recently, as I've been shopping at Bath & Body Works, I'm like, you know what, I'm taking this too seriously. I need to have more fun with my purchases. So I was like, I'm gonna start getting more of the fun items, like the glittery items or the spray can kind of items. I just think that they are so fun, and I need to have more fun in my collection. Okay, so unfortunately, the whipped body mousse only comes in this scent. So if you guys do like the other ones, margarita cupcake or confetti cake pop, unfortunately they don't make these in those scents, but they do have it in the strawberry pound cake, which is awesome. The fragrance notes are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream, and you guys, this smells so good. I personally think that the whipped body mousse smells a little bit different than the rest of the strawberry pound cake body care. This was my second favorite scent out of all 3. My first favorite was the confetti cake pop, and then my second was this one, and my third favorite is the margarita cupcake. I don't think any of them are bad at all. I just wanted to put them in order for you guys. I personally think that the whipped body mousse smells a lot creamier than the rest of the strawberry pound cake body care. I think that this smells more like a strawberries and cream, whereas the rest of the body care smells a lot like strawberries with like a hint of that gourmand cake note in the background. But this just smells like strawberries and cream. I don't really necessarily get like a cake note. It just honestly smells like strawberries and cream to me. That's what this smells like. I think it smells phenomenal. But yeah, so just a little heads up, this doesn't necessarily smell like the rest of the strawberry pound cake body care. For the entire scent of strawberry pound cake, I would still say that the candle of strawberry pound cake is my favorite out of all the forms that strawberry pound cake comes in, or at least the ones that I've smelled and tried myself. But I do love this. I think that the making strawberry pound cake and body care was one of their best ideas yet, and I hope they keep it forever. This is the only item I got in strawberry pound cake. I may or may not go back and get some more. We'll see. I'm kind of on like a low buy right now, so I just think that time will tell, or even when the next SAS comes out. If they have it, I'll definitely get my hands on some then, but this is really good. Okay, so before I get into confetti cake pop, since that one was my favorite and I have tons of it that I'm going to show you guys in a second, let me just go over margarita cupcake real quick. I didn't pick up any of the margarita cupcake just because it was like my third favorite out of the collection. It was really good, but it's just not something that I don't feel like that I necessarily needed in my collection, if that makes sense. Like, I've kind of told myself that when new collections come out, if I really like 1 or 2 of the scents, just to focus on getting those full sets rather than like a bunch of each of the scents, because sometimes like it takes a while to use up items, and I don't want to like spend my money on something that like I feel like is just gonna like bore me out. And I feel like that margarita cupcake was really good, but it just wasn't something that like I fell in love with. So I'm only focusing on buying items that I really love or scents that I really love. So that is why I didn't buy any of it. I thought this scent was really good, but just to me, it just smelled like another citrusy scent. My favorite scent from Bath & Body Works that is like citrusy is definitely white citrus that they sell all year round actually, and I am going to be picking up some of that soon because I have not stopped thinking about that scent in the last like 3 days, and I have a free item coupon, so I'm like, maybe I'll go back and get some white citrus shea cream or body cream or something. I love that scent, it's just so good. So for me, it's just like if I have like a favorite strawberry scent or a favorite, you know, like, I don't know, apple scent, I'll focus on getting those rather than getting like everything, if that makes sense. So, haha, pun intended. But anyways, yeah, it's a really good scent, just not something that I felt like I personally needed, especially since I totally fell in love with Confetti Cake Pop. So moving on, this is the Confetti Cake Pop scent. I am in love with the packaging. It is so adorable. Literally, it looks like a chalkboard with chalk writing on it. It is so cute. Not to mention, all the different little cake pops in here just look so cute and adorable. I am living for the pink one. It literally looks like the one from Starbucks because I don't want them to get in trouble, but it is so adorable. The fragrance notes are creamy cake frosting, rainbow sprinkles, and vanilla bean. Oh, this smells so good. So I actually had a friend on Instagram message me about this scent because I posted a picture of my nails. I don't know if it was this set or the set before. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure. But I posted a picture of my impressed nails with the Confetti Cake Pop in the background. I just thought it was like a cute little background to post my nails. And she wanted to know my opinion on it. And honestly, I went to the store and I smelled Confetti Cake Pop and I was like, I literally looked at Brian, he was with me. And I was like, this is a repackage of Christmas cookies. I'm getting it all. So that's kind of how that happened. But I really thought it was a repackage. Well, I decided to actually test them both for myself next to each other, okay? So this is Christmas cookies. I'm almost done with it. I'm currently working on it right now. And they both smell very similar, but they're actually not the same. They're very similar though. Like these could definitely be like sisters, but they are not twins. These are not a repackage. This one definitely has a lot more of an almond note, whereas this one, it just smells really sweet, like a bakery scent, but this one does smell a lot more like almondy and in my opinion, a lot more warmer. So I actually feel like Christmas cookies, ironically, is better for the fall and winter time, whereas Confetti Cake Pop is gonna be a lot more fun for the spring and summertime because it doesn't have that like warmth to it where you're thinking of like baking Christmas cookies, for instance. Hate to use that as my example since this is literally called Christmas cookies, but that is the example that I went with. So anyways, the fragrance notes are, I already read these to you guys actually, I'm sorry. Anyways, so this is the shea cream. In case you guys were wondering, the cream is yellow. I know that some people have said that when the creams turn yellow, it means that they've gone bad. When it comes to the vanilla or gourmand scents at Bath & Body Works, typically the vanilla scents like that are always yellow as soon as you buy them. So in my opinion, you should just kind of like make sure when you first buy it, see what color it is so that you know not to throw it out, because then it might not even be bad, then you're just throwing it out for no reason. Okay, this smells so good. This literally smells like cake. It smells so good. Okay, so it doesn't smell like the cake scent from Victoria's Secret that we saw a couple of months ago. It's not like that. It's also not like Vanilla Bean Noel. It honestly just smells like a clean vanilla scent, if that makes sense. So like, I only really smell like one note of like a vanilla cake, like maybe just like vanilla cake with some vanilla icing on top, and that's really it. I wouldn't say that this necessarily smells like the cake pop from Starbucks. However, I adore the packaging, adore the name, and I adore the scent. The scent is amazing. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I haven't actually tried the shower gel yet. I have yet to try that because I am working on my Christmas cookie shower gel right now. However, I will kind of test these out for you guys. Okay, so this one I almost smell like a, again with the almond note, I would say. And then with the Confetti Cake Pop, it just smells like vanilla. And I know that I've complained a lot about the Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel, which I kind of feel bad about because I want to like it. But this one is going to definitely replace that for me. I hope that they continue to make this scent every year because I'm in love with it. I think that the Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel is just like a little too like sickeningly sweet, or maybe it has like a weird chemical note behind it. I'm not sure, but I'm not about that. I love Vanilla Bean Noel, but I just cannot get around their shower gel. I don't like it. So it makes me happy when I find shower gels like this that'll kind of replace it for me so that I can still feel like I'm using an entire set of Vanilla Bean Noel. Up next, I also got the Confetti Cake Pop Fine Fragrance Mist. This is so cute because it's like a matte yellow and it literally makes the cake pops look 3D, and I'm obsessed with like how everything looks on here. It is so cute and adorable, you guys. I literally saw this and I was like, I need this in my life. It smells amazing. It smells so good. This actually does have a bit more, oh, I just ate that. Ew. Okay, this actually does have a little bit more of an almond note in it than the rest of the collection does, but that's just my opinion. But it smells so like inviting and just so beautiful. Ugh, I love it. Okay, then the last item I got is the Confetti Cake Pop in the body lotion. Can you guys tell that I love Confetti Cake Pop? Like, literally obsessed. This is like my new favorite scent. It is so good. You guys need to try this. Okay, so the body lotion. The body lotion I feel like smells the most different out of everything in the collection. Like, I feel like that this one smells more like just the icing. Like, this one smells like the icing on the vanilla cake, whereas like the rest of the collection smells more like the actual cake with like a hint of the icing. This one smells like the straight up icing to me. I know it sounds kind of weird, but like it has like that frosting creaminess like to it, that scent note to it. I don't know how to explain it, but it is very good. So yeah, this is like my new favorite scent. Obsessed with it, cannot get over it, love it. So just one thing to note is that the body creams are $14.50, the shower gel is $13.50, the fine fragrance mist is $15.50, and then the body lotion is $13.50. And then another thing to note is that the strawberry pound cake whipped body mousse is actually $18.50, so you cannot use a free reward on that item, unfortunately. But anyways, that is my review for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye.